Mamma mia! How are we supposed to make chocolate for the biggest brands in the world with so much dust around?
Oompa loompa, doo-ba-doo-doo. Here's where your powder is leaking through. Oompa loompa, doo-ba-dee-dee. With these old holes that you won't be dust free. So snap in a blue band to keep your plants clean. The dust will escape, not a fleck to be seen. So say goodbye to your clamps and that leak. The BFM is all you'll seek.
Wow, this is all so clean, safe and efficient. Happy International Chocolate Day to you, Mr. Bluempa Loompa, and all of the other chocolate lovers around the world.